Hi, I'm Andy Morgan. I'm a director of Firstco in London in the UK. We've been using WinCC OA since 2014. We are developing a new product for future infrastructure for vertiports. We're using 25 years of infrastructure management experience, bringing that together to demonstrate to the industry what a vertiport management system could look like in the future when these are built in coming years. One of the biggest challenges for the vertiport market is the fact that these sites are going to be so distributed, they need to be operated from a single remote control centre where one operator is responsible for multiple sites at the same time. And that presents a lot of challenges in terms of data presentation and situational awareness and an accuracy of control. WinCC OA lends itself to distributed systems very well and allows us to use the managers to locally collect data at each vertiport site and transmit that back to a single unified head-end control system at a regional operational centre, integrating data management, CCTV, public address and all the various subsystems into a single unified operator control platform. The system is still under design at the moment, but we are working with investors and manufacturers to understand the scale of the system that might be required in the future. And each site might use several thousand I/O points that need to be integrated back to a regional control centre, which may, at the head end, require tens of thousands of I/O to be displayed. We really like the distributed nature of WinCC OA, where we use local servers per site to locally collect and manage the various subsystems that are under control and connect that back to a remote server pair at our regional operational centre using the distributed architecture to aggregate multiple sites into one solution. One of the key challenges we faced was aggregating data from multiple sensors and subsystems into a single unified platform. And this means quite often different vintages and different vendors at different sites. So we make use of a lot of communication protocols, a lot of drivers, including wherever we can the OPC UA driver. We use the video driver, and we've produced our own drivers using the API toolkit for custom interfaces to things like public address systems. WinCC OA is the best platform in the market for very large-scale applications. The distributed nature of the manager system, allows us to deploy very large, very distributed systems across multiple sites and servers in a very easy, effective way for the largest scale systems. The distributed nature of WinCC OA allows us to deploy different managers on different hardware at different sites, but still present all of that back to a single operator interface, which really helps with operational performance from a single unified head end for all the subsystems and all the assets under control. We have a very good relationship with Siemens in the UK and also with ETM in Austria to support our team and our engineers through the product specification, through the technical design, and particularly through exploring new features and building custom objects and custom solutions with WinCC OA. We're lucky enough to have a very strong relationship with Siemens in Europe and feel very supported in producing our solution as a very collaborative effort.